jazz, unicorn jazz. I'm so glad you're my friend.
Happiness news, where friends have no blues. You can count on happiness news. Yay!
Whoop. Welcome to Happiness News. What happiness news did you bring, Unicorn Jazz?
Have a special surprise for you.
Ooh, I know the folks watching must be excited.
Hello, Be Happy.
Hello.
It's so nice to talk to you.
I'm happy to be here. I think there's happiness to be found in each day. We only have to look for it. I sure like to think about the things that I am thankful for. That brightens me right up.
What are you thankful for?
Well, I'm thankful for the big blue sky today, the coziness of my beehive, and for time spent with great friends like you.
La 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 la.
We're getting ready.
Sway your arms side to side, step your legs, let them glide, rock, rhythm and slide. Dance and sing with me, move your body, just be free. Hop to the beat and shake those feet.
My name is Treziki. I finally entered the Unicorn Jazz Stories at the end of I See You Choosing Kindness. Then author Lisa Caprelli wrote me into The Thing I Do. And oh boy, I've been called the zebracorn who helps kids find the things they like to do.
There's also a song called The Thing I Do.
Well, you almost guessed the thing I do. You were really close. At the end of verse 2, I play basketball, and it's really fun, because I like to play and I like to run. Now, everyone has a special thing. I'm wondering what yours could be. Is it acting, singing, chemistry? There's so many possibilities. What is the thing you do? You could do lots of different things if you want to. What do you like to do? Tell us.
I like to read aloud because it teaches me lessons about the world and helps me gain a better understanding of it.
I really love reading aloud.
I love reading out loud.
I like reading out loud
Because I love making different voices for the different characters.
because it brings joy to people. Because it helps my imagination come alive.
When it comes to reading, you will always have a blast.
Hello, welcome to Guess the Thing. My name is Treziki. I'm your host for today. Thank you for playing. Here are the rules of the game. I will ask a question with a multiple choice answer. The first person who thinks they have the correct answer, chime your spoon. What does kind mean? Is it eating a potato, to do nothing, hiding a book, or liking to do good and bring happiness to others?
D, liking to do good and bring happiness to others.
That is absolutely correct. Potato is the wrong answer.
If orange were a color, what would it sound like? If yellow were a color, what would it sound like?
We are out of order here. We are going to restart the show.
Matthew here, he's my older son. He's a nurse. He's wearing his uniform.
scrubs.
They're called scrubs. So Matthew agreed to be the voice of
Treziki.
And Treziki is in the book The Thing I Do, which is also the name of our show that's now on Amazon TV. And students and teachers, we donated the show, 5 episodes, a whole season, to your school so you can use them. We have lots of activities beyond all the books that we are so grateful to have created. This is called The Art of Using Green Screen when making videos.
I go out like this when I go shopping.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Matthew Vasquez, and the thing I do is I'm a puppet. I mean, I'm a nurse. No, I'm a nurse. This is Treziki. He's the puppet.
Without further ado, here is the author and creator of Unicorn Jazz and The Thing I Do show. She's the wizard of words, the rock star of reading. It's Lisa Caprelli. Yay!